Good morning, children. Today's date is 12th October. The year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class, we'll be learning the sound for the letter L. Yes, the name of this letter is L, and the sound for this letter is L. So here, the one that you see in red is the capital L, the big L, and this is the lowercase letter L in the printed format, the way you will see it in your books, the way you will see it on the computer when you're reading. Yes, when you're typing it, this is the way the lowercase L is formed. Yes, on the computer. That is why I say it as the lowercase letter L in the printed format. Yes, so this is the capital L, this is the lowercase l in the printed format, and the sound for this letter, very important part, we need the sound to read. The sound for this letter is L. And this is letter L, lowercase again, the way we are going to write it in our books. Okay, so we'll be learning how to write it in our next class. But for today, let's learn the sound. Yes, the sound for this letter L is L. Let's have a look at few pictures. Yes, of animals, of things that begin with the sound L, that begin with this letter L. Okay, so let's see here. The first one. Now this is a water body. A small water body is called a lake. Just like when you go to Nainital, you see that beautiful lake. Yes, that's lake. This is a mini beast. We read about it. Ladybug. Ladybug. Now, a piece of wood, a big piece of wood is called a log. 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 It's called a log of wood. Now again, we have this animal. It's a lizard, very commonly seen in our houses, yes? Lizard. Then we have the lion. Yes, it's the king of the jungle. Lion. Again, this is a sea animal. It's called the lobster. Lobster. Now this is a sour fruit. It's called lemon. Lemon. Again, this is a nice green leafy vegetable. We use it for our salads. It's called lettuce. Lettuce. Now, the part of the body here is called the leg. Leg. This is called a leaf. Leaf. When it's just one, we call it leaf. When there are many, we call it leaves. But the beginning sound is the same. Leaf, when it's just one. When there are many, we call it leaves. Leaves. Now this, you know it. What's this body part called as? It's on our face. Lips. Lips. This is called a lock. Lock. Yes, whenever you're going out, you lock your house. Yes, so you need a lock and a key. This is called lock. This is a lollipop. Lollipop. This is a lamp. Lamp. Yes, so we saw quite a few pictures here that began with sound lake, ladybug, log, lizard, lion, lobster, lemon, lettuce, leg, leaf, lip, lock, lollipop, lamp. all these pictures here began with the sound L. Yes, the name of the letter is L and the sound for this letter is L. Yes, you have to curve your tongue and put it behind your upper rows of teeth and say the sound L out loud. Yes, so the name is L of this letter and the sound for this letter is L, lion. So children, coming to the homework sheet, I would like you to take a printout of this sheet or copy the sheet in your literacy notebook. So if you're taking a printout, after you complete it, attach the sheet to your literacy notebook, or else you can copy this sheet in your literacy notebook and then complete it. Okay? So this sheet is going to help you revise the sound that we just did. Yes, the sound for letter L is L. Okay, so it will help you revise the sound L. So herein you have to tick the pictures that begin with the sound L. Okay, or you can color that box. Yes, you can color the box or tick the box of only those pictures that begin with the sound L, begin with the letter L. So let's start. You have to recognize the picture first and tell the name, and then listen to the beginning sound of that word carefully. So let's see this one first. So this is an apple. Now, does it begin with the sound L? No, the beginning sound is A. So you don't tick this box. Don't color the box. The next is a picture of a lion. The word lion begins with the sound L. So you tick it. Yes. The next is a picture of a cake. What does the word cake begin with? Which sound? It begins with the sound K. Yes. So don't tick it. You're only looking for pictures that begin with the sound L. The next is a picture of a lizard. Lizard begins with the sound L. Yes, so you tick it. Next here comes a picture of a lollipop. Again, the beginning sound is L. Yes, so you tick it. Next is a picture of a ladybug. Again, begins with the sound L, so you can tick it. The next is a picture of a lamp. Yes, we usually use it during night. Lamp. So you can tick it. It again begins with the sound L, lamp. Now this is a picture of a dinosaur. Now the word dinosaur. What's the beginning sound here? The beginning sound is D, dinosaur. Yes, so you don't tick it here. Don't tick the box. Next is a picture of a boy who's very lazy. Yes, this boy is lazy. The word lazy begins with the sound L. Next is a picture of an umbrella. Now the word umbrella begins with the sound A. Yes. Next is a picture of a lunch box. Yes, so when you come to school, you're going to get your lunch box along with you. Yes, which you can share with your friends, which you can eat yourself as well. Yes, so the word lunch box again begins with the sound L. So you tick it. Next is a picture of an egg that's cracked. Yes, so you can either say it egg, you can say it as yolk. Yes, you can say it as an omelette. She's going to make an omelette out of it. So you can say it's a cracked egg. Yes, but all these words here, does anything begin with the sound L? No. So this is a yolk. You can say it's an egg. And if it's this is an egg, so the beginning sound is egg. Yes, not L. So you do not tick it. Next is a picture of a lemon. Lemon begins with the sound L, lemon. So you tick it. Next is a picture of a leaf. Yes, I said, when you see just one leaf, you call it as a leaf. When you see many, you call them leaves. Yes. So again, the beginning sound is L, leaf. So you tick it. So this way you're going to complete this sheet. Yes, and revise the sound L by ticking only those pictures that begin with the sound L, and send it to me by tomorrow. Happy learning.